Welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to be making this naive Blooms Needlework. It's a free-form kind of stitching, just making these imaginative blooms. I'm using 3 strands of DMC thread, no hoop, and I'm working on a calico backing. The little scraps have been adhered to the calico with heat and bond, a product that I have used for a long time. Now, I'm only going to use 3 types of stitches. The one I'm doing at the moment is blanket stitch. The little green sections, the leaves and the stems, I've used a back stitch, a quite small back stitch, and the center of the flower is just a number of straight stitches, which I've basically started from the outside and gone into the center on a number of times to produce the little flower. Now I've tried to make the threads contrast with the little circular part of the flower. Here you can see I'm using orange on the lilac, so it really stands out. I think it's quite an effective stitch on this because you get the impression of maybe some petals and it just looks nice. So that's the orange thread finish there, and I'll be moving on to the little purple flower next. Now for this one I chose to use a deeper, I would say lilac purple colour to do the edging. And again, I didn't show you the whole process because I'm only using this blanket stitch. So that's the orange and the purple flower outline completed. So let's move on. So I did the little star in the center, and now I'm going to do the 2 remaining flowers. I've chosen a yellow thread now, so because it contrasts against the purple flower. Again, I'm just using a blanket stitch around the outside. This is another easy little project. You don't have to have many supplies, just some thread, a needle, and if you are very careful, you really don't even need the heat and bond as a stabilizer. It just makes it a lot easier. So you can see how nice that yellow is against the purple. It really pops. So I've nearly finished this flower, and then I will do the one on the opposite side in exactly the same fashion. So that's the finished flower.